Why do we chill dough? Whether you're baking bread or cookies, many recipes will call for you to chill your dough for some time before baking.
Why do they ask this?
Refrigerating dough makes your pastries spread less. You don't want your cookies to be too thin and stick together. Chilling cookie dough makes the fats that you use, like oil and butter, become more solid. If the fats are cold before you bake them, they'll spread less when you apply heat. Sometimes, working with dough that has not been chilled can make your hands oily. This is because the heat of your hands warms up the dough and the fats flow out. This is not what you want. If the fats are more cold and solid, they're less likely to flow out of your dough. Chilling dough can also make your pastries taste better. When the dough chills, the sugars begin to absorb the wet ingredients, making the dough drier, but also giving the cookies a more delicious, concentrated flavor. To review, refrigerating dough makes your pastries spread less and taste better, so don't skip those precious minutes.